Hey everyone, I hope you're all having a great day. Wednesday, the 27th of July, and I've had a good day, a good trading day. It's been a bit of a strange day in terms of volatility on the market. There's been a lot of catalysts. So we've had earnings from the likes of Facebook, Shopify, Spotify, a whole bunch of big names today. The FOMC meeting took place today, so the US Fed, the US government's raising interest rates by 75 basis points or 3/4%. So that happened today as well. There's leaks that we may not be in a recession after all, but I'll believe it when we see it. So overall, a very volatile day. A lot of news happening. We had Microsoft and Google dropping their earnings after hours yesterday, so that impacted the market today. The market overall just rallied. It really did. It was huge rallies on the market today. So what does that mean? Well, it created volatility, and we only traded one stock. And it's the same stock we've traded over the last 2 days that's got us green, or the last 4 days that's got us green on the day. So we traded PGY. And PGY Technologies, we traded yesterday. We were down heavily, and then we came back and we made over $26,000 of profit on PGY, which wiped out the $5,000 that we were down on other things. We finished 21,000 green yesterday. We made $42,000 on Friday, but over, I think, 31,000 that we made on PGY. So a good trading day on Friday. Now today we didn't trade anything else, so there's nothing else dragging us down. We didn't trade pre-market today. I've been looking at my trader view statistics, and it's telling me that in July I've actually been losing money pre-market. I thought I'd take heed of my trader view statistics, and I will not trade pre-market today. And it seems to have paid off, because we finished the day 13,000 in the green. Now we did go down. We got faked out a couple of times on the trades, and the PGY it's a very difficult stock to trade in terms of risk management, because the volatility, the range of the moves is quite big, and the spreads are between the bid and the ask are quite rangy as well. So it could be anywhere between kind of 4 cents or 34 cents, depending on what time of day and what kind of volatility and volume is happening on that particular moment. So it is a difficult stock to trade. It's difficult to manage your risk effectively knowing that, but again, it takes practice. So for beginner traders, whilst it moves very, very well, it's not something I would recommend beginner traders trade for that very reason. Trying to manage your risk, as well as the spreads, as well as the volatility, it becomes a lot for new traders to take on board and manage effectively. So anyway, we were 9,000 down at one stage, and I'll go into the details. We came back live on the stream to we got $4,000 of that back. We were at $5,000 down when I ended the early live stream, and then I jumped on a trade with PGY before I left to take the dog for a walk. I recorded it, so you'll be able to see how I went from 5,000 down to 10,000 up on the green. We're finishing 13,000 today, so I'll let you have a look at that live stream. If you want to have a look at the precursor to that took me 9,000 down, then by all means jump on the live stream. It's recorded. It's in the library, so you can actually check that out for yourself, and just fast forward to the bell and watch how I traded for that. Well, I'll leave you with this in real time, and you can take a look. In the meantime, I will be back at it. I'll be back trading again tomorrow, 90 minutes before the market opens. I'll be streaming live. I'll be trading from 2 hours before the market opens, but I'll be streaming live 90 minutes before the market opens. So it's 8 o'clock East Coast. It's 1 p.m. in the UK and Ireland, Dublin, where I'm based, and that's 2 p.m. on the continent of Europe. So if you're elsewhere, if you're located elsewhere, work out the times for yourself. So come join me tomorrow. We'll do it all over again. In the meantime, enjoy this trade in real time that I recorded on Gaia. This was the trade that took me from 5,000 down to 10,000 up, so $15,000 swing. We did trade a little bit later, and we got an additional 3,000 later in the day. But enjoy this trade, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to the channel as well. See you soon. Then break up. Add to the position. Put in there 21.14, so I'm looking for a break of 21.20 for the $0.75 level. Double the devil horns right here, which is not great. Get above it, I'll just take the profits. Above 21 and I'll get out. And up wicks and down wicks. $0.20 off break even number. We get to 21.50. That's the question. 21.20 is we've got high of that 21.21, the high of that 21.21. So 21.21 is a key level. $21.09 on the ask. Test this 21.21 again. $21.25, so we'll beat it. I'll just take some off there. This is stressful. Didn't get filled. 35. Oh, what did I get? Forget filled it. 30. Nice. $21.15. Went up to $22 on the last move up. Bit of a cup and handle formation on the 5 minute as well. This could be lucrative if it breaks. Got 21.25. Nice move. $21.36. Let's put the stop at now. Get up there. Get the green on the day. Stopped out. Oh, not quite. So I've got 2,000 more to do. That pullback. Let's let the pullback finish. Well, we're eating into the deficit at least. What did I get stopped out at? 21.30. So that's pretty much what I got filled at previously. It's $22. Looking for $22. Break of 22. There we go. Green on the day. Okay, so we're 30-cent trailing stop. There we go. So we're 3,000 up. 3,000 up on the day. Huge red candle there with an up wick, which is dangerous sign. So we need to fill that wick in the next candle, or it's very bearish. I managed to get right at the top of that. So what did I get filled out at? 75. What's the 88. Oh no, it's 70. How did I get filled at 7? I got filled at above the price actually. 21.70 and I got filled at 21.75. I like that. I got a really good fill. I got a fill outside the action. Two. We're going to retest the highs from yesterday's. That's the question. Yeah, we made our goal. I'm leaving it at that. Oh wow! Then wow. Not done. Not done. Wow. This ain't done. This ain't done. Well, I hope you enjoyed that replay of effectively a good swing in my favour. But we weren't done there. So you saw me getting out up the top of here at kind of the $24, $25 level. It did pull back. It pulled back heavily. And as it moved up, we actually got a little bit on this move up and then a pullback. And as you can see, we've got a W shape there, which is what? It's a double bottom. If you're a regular to my channel, you know I like to trade the double bottoms. I called this out in the Discord. I was looking for the break of 22. I think it was 22.70. I called out in the Discord. It might be 22.80 off the top of my head, which was here. So when it finally broke out, we were able to get some additional profits on the way up there. We did get one final trade before the day was finished, and this was on this double bottom here, and that effectively made us finish on 13,000. We tried to trade it in Power Hour, and we were up, we were down. We started Power Hour at 30,000. We finished Power Hour 13,000. So all's well that ends well. Another good day, and I keep saying that saying, and I'll keep saying that saying. So any day that you finish green is a good day. Any day you finish green to five figures is a phenomenal day. My daily goal is actually $5,000. So where am I on the month? Where am I on the year? Let's take a look. let's pull up the trade review report, shall we? Okay, so this is the trade review reports, and we're having a good year. We're having a good month. So year to date, we've got 677,000 before today, and add that 13,000 on top of that, and it takes us to 690 for the year. I think the seven-figure sum is well within range. Let's just go to the month of July, and you can see the statistics that we have here. 131, that takes you to 144 on the month. What's particularly good about July versus the rest of the year is that July's is a little over $8,000 average per trading day, which is way above my 5,000 average. If I just go back to the year, 4,900. That's where we're at for the year. So 4,900 versus that's 8,000 is a big difference. Now 4,900 is very close to my my target for the year in terms of 5,000 daily goal on average. As you can see here, Euroclean is by a long shot. Euroclean is my top traded based on June, totally in June. $127,000 gained on Euroclean, but very close in a very close third. We got GRNA in second, and that was one trade, and then PGY in a very close third. And if it continues to move this week, well, in fact, we've got 13,000 on top of this, so it's PGY takes us into second place. So it's 77,000. So PGY is definitely the second best stock for me this year. Okay, so what are we looking at? I was looking at the dates and times. I was talking about dates and times, and you can see here, if I break this down per 30-minute, I was losing money pre-market. So that's why I thought, okay, I'm not going to trade pre-market anymore. and not do that. It's just the first hour of pre-market really that I've been losing money. If I look at it on a smaller time frame, it's just that first hour. So maybe I won't trade until kind of 8:30, 9 o'clock. The volume starts to pick up then, and we can start making money. So yeah, it's a really good moment that we're in, and I think if we look at let's just jump into FinViz as well while we're here and look at the maps. You can see the maps where we finished today. You can see huge green across the board. So a very green day across the board. Everything was up. Microsoft had a really good rally. Google had a really good rally, or Alphabet as they are also known. Amazon to come tomorrow. We've got a number of earnings still. The big ones for tomorrow: Amazon, Apple, amongst others, and we'll see what actually happens tomorrow. So we've got some big earnings reports tomorrow. Of course, the big thing tomorrow as well is that we've got the GDP numbers. Now, I've been told that the leak is 0.04% growth, which is not great. And I think someone might be smudging the numbers a little bit if that does come out. 0.04% growth GDP. Just so we're not in recession. If it's 0.01% negative, then it'll be the second consecutive quarter of contraction, and that means we'll be in recession. So that is effectively just between those two numbers I've just given, spitballing. That's 0.05. That's a 20th of a percentage point. is the difference between that, which is very, very small margins. So let's see what happens tomorrow. Come join me. We'll be covering all of that. We'll be covering the GDP numbers. We'll be covering the earnings of the big three tomorrow. Amazon, Apple, Intel, amongst others. We've got in the morning before the market opens, we've got Barclays, Pfizer, Merck, MasterCard. It's another big Tilray. It's another big earnings day. So come join me tomorrow and we'll do it all again. I look forward to seeing you there. Cheers.